Nandito tayo sa New Orleans! Tingnan natin yung view. City view na to eh. Wow!
Vlogger to? Vlog mo nga ako para sinikat naman.
Ay, para sisikat din ako. Welcome to New Orleans! Let's go! Cheers, cheers. Pangatlong beses ko na to and the first 2 times na punta ko dito sa New Orleans, palagi akong nakainom. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are starting a new mini travel series. Kasi for this week, nasa Austin ako. And right now it's April 16th. And for this video, we are heading to New Orleans! Alam nyo guys, it's been years na since the last time we went to New Orleans. So, I don't know if you're familiar with New Orleans. Parang nasa movie siya palagi. Parang siyang swamp area. May mga swamp area. Tapos masarap yung pagkain. Southern food. Soul food. Famous yung jazz music there. Bourbon Street. But anyways, you might be wondering bakit tayo pupunta doon. Kasi, di ba, I'm a very big advocate for the hemophilia community. So I'm going there kasi sasali ako sa Hemophilia Federation of America. HFA Symposium. I'm grateful enough na they sponsored my attendance dun. So I'm going there to represent the Texas Lone Star Bleeding Disorder Foundation. So I'll take you guys over there, and sa mga free time ko, let's check around New Orleans in the area and sana mag-enjoy kayo. And right now, it's 4 a.m. in the morning. 6 a.m. yung flight ko kasi wala nang murang flight na early. Kasi nagpapalibre na nga tayo, di ba? Diyan na pa tayo sa mahal. So maaga tayo dadating doon. So 6 a.m. lang flight ko. We get there at 7 a.m. only on our flight. Tapos outfit check. So hindi ko alam kung hindi ko alam kung I packed too much. But anyways, so outfit check. Meron tayong jacket dito. Mga 2 taon ko na din nata hindi ito nasuot na jacket. Oversized to sa akin eh. So anyways, yan. Puro black. Ano ba to? Puro black. Black on black. Ito. Sobrang loose nga talaga nito. Tapos hindi naman siya malamig dun. Tapos comfortable joggers. Tapos isang sapatos lang dinala ko ito. Sana okay lang. And then sa bags ko, ito. Bumili ako ng bagong bag kasi masyadong malaki yung bag ko nung dati. That was 40 liters. Ito, 25 lang to. Tapos kung i-expand mo, 30 liters. Ewan ko kung okay lang. So this is my first time testing it today, traveling. So kung okay lang, I will keep it. If not, I'll return it. Tapos carry on lang naman ng damit. Konti lang dala ko. It was just enough for me to do laundry and then, balik ulit ko muna yung masuot ko. But anyways, update ko kayo. Pupunta tayo ng airport pag ipipick up ako ng Uber. And yeah, kita-kits. Yan guys, so naka-cross na tayo sa security. So yung gate ko, nasa tapat lang talaga siya ng security. Andyan yung security. Andyan banda. Tapos yung gate ko, dito lang. Over here. So, very convenient. Medyo tinitest yung patience ko kanina sa Uber kasi instead of taking the highway, he took like yung mga back roads, and we hit like all yung red lights yung so I was just like, oh Lord, please grant me the patience. Tapos 1 hour kasi yung Austin kasi ngayon notorious siya for dito, mahaba yung pila. Luckily may TSA pre-check ako, so yung TSA pre-check pwede ka lang mag-direct, you have a separate priority line. And so highly suggest ko na sa Amerika kayo, pag kayo avail kayo ng TSA pre-check or global entry. Global entry includes TSA pre-check, and I think it's like $120 or $100 for 5 years na membership. So I have to renew mine soon kasi nagsimula yung akin back in 2021 if I remember correctly. after pandemic ako nag-apply eh. So, I think my TSA pre-check is about to end soon. So, magre-renew na naman ako. It's so suited, especially if you travel two to three times a year by plane. And very convenient siya. Tapos sa global entry, diretso-diretso ka sa customs. If you're flying international, pagdating mo, diretso ka sa customs. It will just pass through. Pag wala kang i-declare, especially wala kang i-declare. So, yun, nakapakita ko naman yung Austin Airport. Ganito siya. Sa harap. So, medyo maingay nga siya, guys, kasi maraming construction. So, yeah, I told you guys last time, ang daming construction ngayon. So, hindi niya na i-accommodate yung amount of passengers. Kaya kino-construct na naman nila bagong terminal and all. Kaya yung sabi nila sobrang behind na ng Austin kasi ang daming tao dito. So anyways, update ko kayo. My flight boards at 5:45, I believe 5:45, tas i-leave 6:15. And yun lang, update ko lang kayo. Medyo entok pa ako. Grabe, wala, as in mess up talaga body clock natin ito. Hanap muna ako ng restroom, tapos mag-walk around para hindi ako mainim. And guys, dito tayo sa New Orleans! Let's go! Ang short lang ng flight, mga 1 hour. So, parang we just sat down and then alis, fly, and then just landed. Yun lang. Heading my way, papunta magkuha ng Uber. Ang ganda ng airport nila. First time ko magpunta ng New Orleans. Mag-fly. Kasi usually I just drive. We just drive. It's like a 6-hour drive from Beaumont dati. So yeah, update ko kayo. Guys, sobrang OA ng Uber. So yung pinakamurang nila charge from the airport to the hotel is $96. Yan yung pinakamura. Tas yung parang Uber Comfort, Uber X yung $96, as yung Uber Comfort is $98. Sobrang OA. $100 one way lang to, guys. Tapos kung mag-commute ako ng bus, abot ako ng 1 hour higit yung one way. Kinda sucks. Parang tapos tatanungin ko na lang kung i-reimburse ako sa Uber. Kasi sabi sa email ng conference, i-reimburse daw yung Uber to and from the airport. So, ask ko mamaya yung director namin. Pero medyo upsetting lang kung hindi ako i-reimburse. Ang sakit. So, I'll probably find a cheaper way kung hindi ako i-reimburse. Cheaper way to get to the airport coming back. Pero yeah, ganda ng kotse. It's a Toyota Highland. Ito. Bucket seats din. So yun guys, kaka-check-in lang talaga natin dito. So nagstay tayo dito sa Marriott Hotel sa New Orleans, may Canal Street, right? So again, disclaimer lang. Libre to lahat. Mostly. May ibang meals na kakainin na libre, meron sponsored, meron din iba na hindi. But anyways, well, it's still early. Let's kick off the room tour. So, ayan, dito. Ito yung door. First time natin itong mag-room tour. Okay, so dito yung door. May emergency plan dito and stuff. And ano yung mga civil code or whatever. And yung mga tags and stuff. And dito yung CR. Or restroom or bathroom. Mamaya na yan. And then, so, on the right, meron ditong closet. Inubad ko na rin sapatos ko. So, dito may hangers. Ano to dito? Ironing board. And then, plansa. And then, I put my stuff there. Wala lang silang slippers eh. Oh, safe. It's a safe. Wala lang silang slippers, which is so weird. Usually sa mga ganito may slippers. Meron ding full-length mirror dyan. Kung gusto mo, dito ka. Bukasan. Ganun mo yun. Buksan mo yung ganyan. And then, so dito, this is the TV. Malaki yung TV. Parang 60 inches ata to. Tapos mga pods and stuff. Keurig, whatever. Marami ding USB ports, outlets, USB-C. May remote. Smart TV ata to. And they gave me a king-size bed. Let's go! So, Marriott always maganda yung bed. Yan yung nanonotice ko. And dito may lamp and stuff. And then dito yung AC controls. So, naka 70 siya. I don't know if ipapalamigin ko. It's very cold na ngayon. So, try natin 69. 66 na nasa loob. Oh, to. But anyways, so dito siya, pwede workstation. Maganda kasi may workstation. Paano ako magtrabaho bukas? Tingnan mo guys, wireless charging din to. Dito. I-on ko to. Pwede. Boom, it's charging. Wow, amazing, right? And pwede ka mag-lounge dyan. Ewan ko kung may time ako. Tapos tingnan natin yung view. City view na to eh. Wow. Ito yung view sa labas. Ganda. Saan ba yung river? City view. Yung river nasa kabila yung river. So anyways guys, may kwento ako. Parang common na to nangyayari sa atin. So nung nag-check-in ako, Filipina si tita yung nag-check-in sa akin, si shout out kay Ate Maribeth. But anyways, so nung sine-check-in na niya ako, tinignan niya, oh, you have a titanium elite or parang ganun sa Marriott Bonvoy, parang yung rewards nila, yung membership. Sabi ko, no, I don't. Sabi na, I mean, it says here, parang in-explain ko sa kanya, oh, it's my director who booked this. Kasi ka, diba, libre to through the foundation. So, libre to lahat. So, sabi niya, but you still get the benefits kasi nga, it was booked through a titanium account. Sabi ko, oh, that's good. And yes, like, may access ka sa lounge, free breakfast, buffet, and stuff like that, and snacks. And I was like, wow. And this parang, it feels so good kasi parang libre na nga na anuhan pa tayo ng benefits, di ba? So, thank you sa director ko, si Miss Melissa. But yeah, so she has all the benefits din, plus the points, kasi siya nga nagbubook. So, either way, beggars can't be choosy. I'm still very grateful na access natin yung lounge, ma-access natin yung lounge, kasi gutom na talaga ako. So, I was like, maghanap ako ng pagkain pa, tapos gagastos pa ako. And guys, diba sabi ko, the Uber was like $96. So, tinignan ko yung packet ko din, welcome packet. Nung na-approve tayo for this symposium, sabi nila they will pay for the to and from Uber expenses sa airport to the hotel. So it's good news, right? And etas kwento ko. Kalimutan ko tuloy. But basta yun na. And then so hanap tayo ng pagkain. May time pa tayo kasi first event is during lunch. So I'll probably show you around, walk around tayo dito sa Riverwalk kasi it's an 11-minute walk. Freshen up lang muna ako and I'll try to grab food sa my lounge. Sabi ko nga may nakalimutan ako. so ito pala yung bathroom. Dito natin. Yun. So, nasa US tayo. Usually naman, so ito, meron siyang mga free toiletries and stuff. Mouthwash, buds. So, tas dito. Usually, sa US, wala naman talagang bidet. I don't think I've been to a hotel na may bidet. Tas ito, ganito. Yan. Yung shower niya. Tapos meron na silang free soaps and stuff and body wash and conditioner, which is nice, really nice. Naligo na ba ako? Oh yeah, naligo na ako. So, yeah, yun lang. Nakalimutan ko lang talaga. Manghingi siguro ako ng slippers kung pwede. Kasi ayaw kong mag-barefoot dito. Tapos bukas, Friday, tinitry kong clear yung schedule ko kasi I'm supposed to work. Kasi work from home ako bukas. And dadalhin ko na lang yung work kung meron akong trabaho. Which is good news too. Kasi more work, more money. Guys, so mag-register na muna tayo sa conference. But I just want to show you, ito yung lobby ng hotel. This is what the lobby looks like. Medyo di masyado busy.
Basta register muna tayo. Tapos let's grab breakfast dun sa lounge kung maka-access nga tayo. Baka fake news. So, guys, so tapos na ako mag-register. So, ito yung registration booth. Hi. So there's so many freebies, and then fancy. It's so fancy kasi like you scan a code and then your name tag gets printed. So yan. Tapos nakalagay yung ano mo. Tapos din sa likod yung sponsors. Yung company pala namin is a sponsor again this year. Kasi every year ata kami sponsor. My company is secret. But anyways, I don't know if you guys know, but that's meron freebies. Unboxing natin mamaya. So the tote bag's really nice. The major sponsor is Novo Nordisk. Oh, hi. Thank you. So yeah, tingnan natin. And then let's go to the lounge and see if we can eat over there. Kung totoo nga ba talaga. Gusto ka mag-hi? Hi! Si Ate Elizabeth pala, guys.
Kumusta kayo?
Pinapasok niya ako sa lounge. Joke. Hi!
Hi po. Vlogger to? I-vlog mo nga ako para sumikat naman ako.
Para sisikat din ako. Baka sikat ka.
Ipapalo back kita.
Sige.
Sisikat, kung sisikat ka, umalala mo tong video nito.
Of course, babalik ako dito.
Balik
Ano
ka
pangalan
dito,
mo ulit?
Marjorie. Dito ako nag-work.
Ate
Mamaya
Marjorie.
pa ang work ko.
Sige. Nice to meet you. Dito pala guys sa M Clown Lounge tayo kakain. Saglit. Nice. Wow. Guys, sarap yan guys. Kakain tayo niyan. They got oatmeal, grits, southern grits. I got sausage, potatoes, eggs, bacon, and then pancakes, and then some pastries here. And then I got cold cuts, and cheeses, and then fresh fruits. So yun guys, lumabas tayo sa hotel muna. Time check, it's 11:05. 1 hour pa tayo before start yung conference. So, ganito siya sa downtown. Nasa downtown to Canal Street to Ganito yung New Orleans sa mga hindi pa nakapunta. If you guys have heard of New Orleans. Tingnan nyo dyan. Ganda. So, preserve nila yung mga old buildings. Lakad tayo dyan. Ito siya. Tapos meron yung isang street dito na sikat called Bourbon Street. So, we're gonna check that out. So, Canal Street, Bourbon Street. Anong street to? Chartres Street. Yan. Hindi ko alam kung sikat ba yan. Pero, yeah, so we're going to Spanish Plaza. So, nasa boardwalk yan. Mga 10-minute walk lang siya from our hotel. So, yun yung pinakamadaling place na natin. Tapos, yung maganda dito is kasi it's a tourist spot. Maraming mga souvenir shops dito kung gusto nyo pa bili ng pasalubong. And, pakita ko sa inyo yung ano itsura doon. Maglakad muna tayo. It's a 10-minute walk. And then, to and from lang tayo. Kasi, we don't wanna miss the opening. Tapos, libre din lunch. Guys, nandito na tayo sa Spanish Plaza. Walang energy. Spanish Plaza! Okay, ito lang yung parang may fountain sa gitna. So, habang naglalakad tayo, marami tayong nakikita, may mga casino, may mga gandang buildings. Tapos, nga pala, itong Spanish Plaza, sa tabi lang siya ng Riverwalk. Pakita ko. Timing tayo. Look. Alilili. Bilis natin para may shot tayo. Yan. Yan. Welcome to New Orleans! Let's go! Guys, so timing pagpunta natin dito, may ferry. Yan siya guys, sobrang timing natin. Ang daming tao sa likod natin kasi may festival. Ano tawag doon? May French Quarter Festival. Rinig niyo yan? Yan yung parang usok ng ferry doon. So pwede ka atang sumakay diyan sa ferry. I don't know how much it costs. Basta doon sa unahan diyan ata mag-ride. Diyan yung dock. Nakita ko sa Google Maps. Ang sobrang nostalgic. Tapat lang siya sa may mga Delacroix na restaurant yan. Delacroix na restaurant. Tapos nga pala, may outlet malls pala nga sila dito. Kung gusto niyo mag-shopping, diyan kayo. Kung may time, ang pangalan is Riverwalk, Outlet Collection Riverwalk. So kung may time tayo, let's check that out. And iba din yung itsura nito sa gabi. Like it looks different at night. May mga ilaw, especially dyan sa may bridge na dyan. Oh, meron palang boat din dito. Iba din. Pwede ba mo-picture ata? River cruises. Let's check out kung magkano yung prices. Basta iilaw din yung mga sa bandan dyan. So guys, nag-inquire ako. So iba pala tong malapit dito. This is called the Creole Cruise. I think to siya, may pagkain. Para siyang dinner cruise. Nakuha ko ng pamphlet. Nakalagay dito. So pag historical cruise, may different time slots din. Pag historical cruise, $47 for adults. And for children, it's from 6 to 12, $20. Pag 0 to 5, libre lang. So cruise with lunch buffet, tataas siya ng $67. Ito sa historical cruise. Pag bata, $29. And $13 siya pag 0 to 5. So pag jazz cruise, it's every night, 7 p.m. sharp. Adults, $60. Wala tong pagkain. And then children, $26. And then child, libre lang. Pag 0 to 5. Pag jazz cruise with dinner buffet, $107. Tapos children 6 to 12, $45. Pag child 0 to 5, $20. Grabe. Itong yung binidyohan natin kanina, yung nag-aandar na, pala siya, public transport daw sabi. So it's gonna take you from point A to point B. Hindi katulad itong Creole Cruise na kakasabi ko lang yung price. Different pala siya. Private company siya. Tapos mahal. Kasi may dinner cruise, may mga historical cruise, brunch cruise, jazz cruises, jazz night. Pero yung isa na binidyohan natin, lang yun? Public transport. So baka mas mura yun. Kung gusto mo lang mag-go along the Mississippi River. So, yun pala, yung river nga pala, tawag nun is Mississippi River. If I'm not mistaken, it's actually the longest river sa America. Fact check me. Research ko yan. Pero, all I know is the longest river in America. Tapos guys, naalala ko dati, when 7 years ago, nagpunta ako dito sa New Orleans, sa gabi, nag-lie down kami dyan. May pictures ako. Hanapin ko nga yung pictures kung meron pa. Nag-lie down ako dito with my friends dati. And gabi na yun. Umiinom pa ako that time. And then we were kind of drunk. So yeah. So what we're doing now is we're walking back to the hotel. Kasi we have an event at 12 noon. And we don't want to miss it kasi yan yung opening ng conference natin. So yeah, lakad muna tayo tapos para maka-freshen up din saglit. Babalik na lang tayo dun when paggabi na or may free time tayo. Kasi iba din siya sa gabi, guys. Mas magical siya. I think, or iba yung beauty niya sa gabi. Just all I can say. Pag visit kayo dito, you'll know. Tapos, kung hindi naman kayo maglakad-lakad, like hindi kayo sanay, meron din, or pagod na kayo, meron din naman mga trams sila. Maganda yung tram system nila dito. Kita niyo? Ko. Yan, oh. Yan. Hi guys, so nakapag-freshen up na tayo saglit. Kasi ano na lang, 5 minutes na lang kulang magsisimula na yung event. So dali lang, nag-refreshen up lang tayo. So hindi ko na dadalhin yung camera. Phone ko na lang gamitin ko kung mag-take ako ng footage. Basta may opening ceremony, award ceremony, tapos lunch. So I'll show you what it's about. I'm not planning to attend siguro lahat ng events. Kasi conflict, overlapping, tas yung iba hindi ako interesado. Yun lang yung mga interesado ako. So, balitaan ko kayo kung ano mangyayari. Alam ko maraming freebies. So, mamaya mag-freebie, unveil tayo mamaya. Sige, I'll show you.
Caring, and yes, they are very caring and like to have fun, and boy, do they like to celebrate in New Orleans. You are in the right place. I can't say enough about the city. I can't say enough about the people. I hope you have a great time. I'm sure you will. I know you will. Let us go.
Ayan guys, we are finally back from the opening ceremony. Ay, sa wakas. Wala pa akong nakaschedule na attenan for the meantime. Kasi, paano ko sana pumunta sa young adults na ano. Kaso, di na ako young adult pala. So, I was like, I had to ask my director na, hey, young adult pa ba ako? Sabi niya, how old are you? I'm like 33. sabi niya, no, you don't qualify. So I was like, good. So I am gonna rest. O nga pala, so mamaya ko na lang siguro kayo itutour sa amenities kasi ano to, 4-star hotel pala to guys. And meron dami kong scatterbrain ako ngayon. So i-share ko pala how much itong hotel na to, how much it costs. Hindi ako nagbayad sa room. Libre to. Just disclaimer. So I pulled it up. The whole total stay 4 days and 3 nights, $851.48. So nahulog na so each room each day costs $239 plus tax pa yan, just may tourism fee. So, kayo na lang mag-math yan. Kaya it amounted to $851.48. May tourism fee and tax pa. And, yun. Tapos, itutur ko kayo sa amenities mamaya. And, eto pala, special yung keycard na binigay. So, nakalagay sa keycard, I'll show you. Ito. So Marriott New Orleans M Club access is for the elite member plus one guest only. So pwede ako magdala ng isang guest. Elite members lang merong ganito. Tapos ito, access sa club hours, 24 hours, breakfast. Meron akong access kasi hindi to regularly, pag hindi ka elite wala kang breakfast, pero meron akong breakfast this time 6:30 to 11 yung kinain natin kanina. Meron silang parang hors d'oeuvres and desserts, snacks, 5 to 8 ngayon, or daily. Tas club mobile bar, libreng drink sa gabi, 5 to 11 p.m. And nag-iisip pa ako kung anong gagawin natin tonight kasi I'm not planning to join yung... So, what's happening tonight is around 5:30, merong parang event. And yun yung parang booth. I don't know if you guys have been to a conference. Mag-video ako mamaya. So maraming mga sponsors or sa events, sponsors sa conference, andun may mga booth sila. Tapos you'll get freebies and stuff. So ginawa nilang parang game. Like you have to sign in, get a stamp or sticker. Last conference ko may sticker eh. So you have to get a sticker, lagay mo dyan sa paper mo, tapos magra-raffle sila, may prize. Kasi the goal is for you to get exposed sa lahat ng sponsors or lahat ng companies. Usually sa Hemophilia Foundation, mga pharmaceutical companies, mga pharmacies, mga healthcare industry and stuff. So company ko, employer ko, andito nga sila. Optum, the infusion part of Optum, andito din sila. So I'm aware and I'm friends with them already, so I'm not sure. I think they'll be here. They'll be here, so I'll say hi to them. Kasi technically coworkers ko sila kahit hindi kami same department. And yeah, magpapahinga lang ako and I'll show you the amenities mamaya. And call Kay in a bit. So see you guys. Ciao. Hi guys, we are back na sa hotel room natin and the night is still not done. You just saw me vibing out din sa conference hall. Yeah, dami kong freebies nandito. Kita nyo yan. Andyan lahat. Siguro pakita ko sa inyo at the end of the conference siguro or marami mamaya. But anyways, you know, I just want to share something weird about my my room. Kasi it's my first time actually being in a room na konti lang yung lighting. Like dito, dyan, and dyan. It's like more of an accent ambient lighting. Pero what's weird is that walang universal switch. Like I have, for me to turn this off, dito, I have to turn it off from over here. Dito. Tas, same din dyan. Like I have to turn it off individually. So, siguro, tas ito din. It's so weird, pero I don't know, naka-experience na ba kayo ng ganito? Kasi usually alam ko pag hotel, especially high-end one, 4-star hotel tong Marriott and hindi siguro ako sanay na ganito. Usually pag mga ganito, di ba, may universal na switch. But anyways, so for tonight, since the night is young, we're gonna actually just explore muna sa labas. I'll take you guys walking outside kasi di ba pasyal tayo ng medyo medyo may araw pa. So ayan, gabi na talaga. So let's check out Acme Oyster House, Cafe Dumont, and then let's go to Jackson Square and St. Louis Church. Tignan natin yung area na dun. And yeah, that's the French Quarter area. So iba din ata yung beauty sa gabi. And tara! Guys, so okay. Medyo shock lang ako kasi ganito siya sa gabi. I don't know if y'all can see it. And it's very lively. May mga music and stuff. So now we're walking to the place. And it's very lively, diba? So different from kanina sa umaga. And then we're gonna walk around the place. And I don't know if I should wear mic kasi sobrang ingay. Everywhere para may music. Pero ganito siya sa gabi. It's very lively. Yan na. Tapos, it's a very touristy spot, diba? So, just be careful kasi yan nga, like, di mo alam kung anong mangyayari. Like, kung I'm just speaking na kasi maraming lasing dito sa area. Kasi maraming bars and stuff. People come here to drink and party, so just be careful then. Kaya like, I don't know how to feel with my camera sa labas. So di ko pala nakwento. Like this place is called French Quarters. Ito lahat dito. Kasi yung mga architecture, yung mga buildings, ganyan yung design. So kaya siya tinawag na French Quarters kasi dito nag-settle yung French colonists back in 1700s. So, kaya tinatawag pa rin nila na French Quarters. And a lot of the architecture and the buildings and design still remains the same. So, yun, just so you know. Kasi kinolonize ng French people yung New Orleans dati, back in 1700s. And now we're walking doon sa Acme Oyster House. So, ito yung parang, itong area talaga ito sa French Quarters. Ang daming clubs and everything. So, papakita ko sa inyo. Di ba kung makikita nyo? Close to lahat. Halos walang vehicle dito minsan. Ang ingay nga. I don't know if y'all can hear me. Daming umiinom dito. Guys, napunta tayo sa Acme Oyster House. Tas may linya. Am I willing to wait in line? Yan o. May linya. So guys, nakapasok na tayo. So we're in. It's a little bit loud, so I'm using the microphone. And the perks of being by myself is I got to be seated first kasi ang haba ng pila. So it was gonna take me like 40 minutes. And they got front row seat. Look. They're shucking it. So they're opening the oysters. Ayan.
So you drank with it?
So, ito yung menu. Meron din silang binibenta besides oysters. Over here. Appetizers. There's specialty gumbo. Yan. Po' boys, yung parang sandwich. $24. Holy crap. And then platters din dito. Yeah. So, ito yung order ko. Half charbroiled and half raw oysters. So, hindi ko alam kung how much. Thank you. Hindi ko alam kung how much kasi market price. So, gina-expect na lang na I'll pay at least $20 to $30. So, I'll tell you how much I'll pay mamaya. Order muna tayo. Okay, so una dumating yung fresh oysters natin. May lemon. Sobrang fresh talaga. Let's try it. Excuse me natin. Half lang yung in-order ko para half na naman sa charbroiled. Dumating na yung charbroiled. Ako lang uubos nito. It's still bubbling. Tapos bibigyan ka nila ng bread. Hopefully it's worth it. Sarap, tignan niyo. Cheers, cheers. Ang sarap. Medyo briny. Briny yung lasang dagat. Taste of the ocean. Let's try it with the sauce. Put it in top. Lagyan natin konti. Cheers. It's really good with the sauce. Ang sarap. I like it the sauce. I like it na may sauce. Sarap. Let's try the charbroiled naman. Medyo mainit pa. So let's like. Cheers.
It's possible for us to do
It's really cheesy. Medyo cheesy siya. Try natin siya with the bread. Cheers. Medyo mainit. Mainit. Meron pa siyang butter, oh. Kainin natin yan. Inumin natin yan. Mainit. Mamaya na. Meron akong idea. I-dip natin yung bread sa butter. Yan. Mas-soak siya, mas-soak. Rock. Guys, so nakalabas na tayo sa Acme Oyster House. Tapos how much did I pay? $35 lahat. And I added tip, so $5. So naging 40, around $40. Rinig niyo yan? May nagpe-play ng saxophone sa daan. It's so New Orleans. Ayan. Yung review ko doon sa Acme Oyster House, siguro nasa 8.5 out of 10. So we ordered half a dozen charbroiled oysters and half a dozen fresh ones. I think overall, I prefer, anong tawag dito? Yung fresh ones. I prefer the fresh ones. Medyo okay naman siya. I thought it would be really, really expensive. Ay siguro nga kasi half lang in order ko. And kung sa inyo, depende sa inyo kasi not everyone eats oysters, di ba? Especially fresh ones kasi it's the texture that gets them. So kayo, depende kung gusto niyo yun. Pero if you guys go there lunch kasi wala masyadong pila. Nakikita ko sa reviews kasi ang haba ng pila, especially pag marami kayo, mahirap. You guys are gonna have a hard time sitting down. So yeah. So ngayon, papunta na tayo sa Jackson Square. It's an 11-minute walk from the Acme Oyster House. Tapos 10 minutes lang siya from our hotel. Kasi straight mo lang yung Royal House. Mahirap dito mag-drive kasi or mag-Uber kasi i-close nila yung streets. Tingnan nyo, like that one. May mga police and stuff. I-close nila. Kasi nga maraming people drinking. So you're gonna have a hard time commuting here dito sa area na to. So, ganda naman ng scenery kasi 'di ba, mini-maintain nila yung old look ng mga buildings. Tingnan niyo dito naman. Like this one. And this one too. Like iba yung aesthetic, 'di ba? So, if you guys like architecture, you're gonna enjoy New Orleans French Quarters. Guys, ito na tayo sa Jackson Square area. Sarado pala siya sa gabi. Kita niyo yan. Pero sa likod nito, dito yung St. Louis Catholic Church. Dito tayo magsisimba this Sunday. Ayan niyo. Wow! Mas maganda siya dun sa kabilang side. So I'll show you guys the angle dun. Ganda, no? And then, like, sa likod ko, maraming mga tao na groups. So, dito sa New Orleans, they believe in supernatural. Marami silang they believe in supernatural. So, marami sa mga ghost tours they hold. So, sa gabi, tignan niyo yan. Mga ghost tours yan sila. Walking tour. Pero sa tapat ng church. Pero yan, ito yung St. Louis Catholic Church. Tada! It's all white. Diba? Pero masyadong vibe dito guys. Actually, mas gusto ko tong side na to. Kasi sobrang tahimik dito na side compared dun kung saan tayo galing sa Acme Oyster House. Tingnan nyo. Diba? Chill lang mga people. Kaupo lang sa mga park benches. Marami dito. Tapos I think meron ding mga palm reading dito. Yan. And may nagme-music din. Oh, ganda nga. So, lalakad lang tayo dito, di ba? So, it makes me think, nagmumuni-muni ako na pangatlong beses ko na to and the first 2 times na punta ko dito sa New Orleans, palagi akong nakainom. And this time, I think so far, this is our first day. Di tayo inom. Because, you know, somebody offered me a drink nun. No, I wasn't really interested. Tubig lang. And party city talaga to. Ang daming umiinom dito, ang daming nag-bachelorette party. Tapos yun nga, malaki talaga grabe yung drinking culture dito. So, but I'm really not into it. Yung hindi ako sold na ngayon. Iba na ako ngayon. Pero yun nga, like this time I'm experiencing New Orleans as it is, na hindi inebriated, hindi kainom. So, I'm all up for it. Di ba? Tapos sasamahan ko kayo. And, yun nga, medyo sad kasi, sarado yung Jackson Square. Meron palang festival today. May nakausap ako kanina sa Acme Oyster House. Shoutout to George and Leslie. Sabi nila meron ng French Quarter Festival today, or this coming weekend. So, kaya ang daming mga stuff dito. We're gonna check it out probably tomorrow. Kaya ang daming tao. Tapos they close it down. Pero, ito yung sabi ko, view ng, tingnan nyo. View ng St. Louis Church from here. Kita niyan, yung angle. It's really nice, especially with the lights. Wow! Ang ingay. To New Orleans! Let's go! Woo! Itong sign na to, tapat siya ng St. Louis. Pero yan yung Jackson Square dyan. Yan. That is the St. Louis Church, di ba? Ang ganda. Ganitong angle. Wow. So, meron siyang pataas. Like, so I came from over there. Yung galing tayo din sa my park. Tapos nag-cross ako, tawid ako. Tapos meron siyang parang boardwalk na ata to, guys. Oh yeah, it's the boardwalk. May pakita ko sa inyo. Di ba, kwento ko sa inyo kanina. Di ba, when I was like, here back then, I was drunk, half sober. Humiga ako sa Riles. Dito yun. Dito talaga yun. Humiga ako dyan. I think it was like 2 or 3 in the morning. May picture pa ako. Promise, papakita ko sa inyo. Tapos yeah, boardwalk. Ganda. Look. Yan. It doesn't do justice yung video. Yung nakakuha ng video. Tapos diba sabi ko sa inyo, mag-light up yung bridge. Tignan nyo. Yun. Yun yung bridge nag-light up. Ganda, no? Sa gabi. Ito yung Mississippi River, guys. MISSISSIPPI. Ewan ko, wrong spelling na. Ganda. Muni-muni ka lang. Ewan ko kung pwede magdala ng mainom dito. Tapos dyan ka lang. Ang sarap ng hangin. Tapos date kayo dito. Upo kayo dyan. May mga benches naman dyan. Jogging ka dito sa umaga. Di ba? Ayos. Pero yung masasabi ko lang, medyo humid lang nga dito. O nga pala guys, so if ever you kind of like feel unsafe, don't worry kasi ang daming police. Tsaka meron ng National Guard dito eh. They just roam around. So, medyo, just be careful lang. Just keep your guard up, pero like, kahit maraming lasing, maraming mga unruly people, they drink. Mayroon ding maraming mga police dito. Okay. Oh, may helicopter nga. Rinig niyan. So, ngayon, tapos na tayo sa boardwalk. Pupunta tayo dito sa Café du Monde, malapit dito. So, it's a famous beignet place. Parang dessert siya. Kumain tayo kanina sa breakfast. Pakita ko sa inyo. Order tayo ng isang piece. Ito, we're approaching Café Dumont. Famous sila sa beignets nila. Ito. Yan. Iconic to siya. Guys, abort mission. So, ibang araw na lang tayo kakain ng beignet kasi they only take cash. Only take cash. No exceptions. So, huwag niyong ako tularan. So, dala ko lang $5 sarado. So, short talaga tayo. Just be mindful na pag pupunta kayo dito. And so, bukas na lang or some other day, withdraw tayo ng pera. Kasi meron namang bangko dito malapit. So, we're just gonna withdraw and then sabay na rin natin bumili ng pasalubong. Or magnets pala. And tapos, yun, balik na lang ako sa hotel. Isang straight ko na lang to dito. Dito lang, straight lang. So, para makapagpahinga, sign na yun ni Lord na makapagpahinga tayo ng maaga. And, yeah, balitaan ko kayo sa hotel. Freshen up lang, tas tulog na tayo kasi maaga pa tayo bukas. Medyo pagod na rin ako, di ba? Di pa ako nakarest na masyado, maigi. So, don't make the same mistake, okay?
Hello guys! Nakabalik na tayo sa room natin. Freshen up na rin ako. Kakaligo ko lang. So bukas, it's gonna be another full day. Actually, hindi ko pa alam kung ano schedule ko. But, salamat sa pagsama sa akin on this day of the conference and in this first day natin dito sa New Orleans. Sana nag-enjoy kayo and hope to see you guys on the next one. Take care and don't forget to take care of someone.